Hey, I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube video series. This video we're going to be looking at the RYOBI 40 volt HP Expand-IT line of the edge trimmers. String trimmer, whatever you want to call it. That's what we have here. Now this certain model here was on last year 2023 RYOBI days, and I bought it and I didn't get a big chance to use it last year. I did use it some, but not a whole lot. But I started using it this year, and I'm going to get a lot of use out of this thing. Now this one is model number US 1003-022-422. I believe that's what it says. RY40290. Now this one takes the 0.095 size trimmer line. Comes with a 4-amp battery, 40 volt, and a charger. Happy with it. I like this thing a lot. Now this one is expandable. You can use different accessories to it, such as a small limb trimmer, a blower, a little rotary tool, not rotary tool, but a rototiller. Looks like a little snow blower here of some sort. I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's some kind of cleaner. I don't know. But there's several different expanded pieces you can put together with this. Forgot what I paid for it last year. But got another upcoming video on one of the expanded accessories that I bought, and let's look at that in another video. But let's look at this. I do appreciate you watching. Keep in mind, don't ever forget, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but for me personally, I always wear safety glasses and long pants when I'm using one of these trimmers, edgers, weed eaters, whatever you want to call it. Can't never be too safe. Safety glasses, long pants. Okay, here's a little bit of the area we're going to be working on today. I want to show you my RYOBI weed eater. So here is the little bit of area we're going to be working on. Got to get my zoom out done. There we go. Right here in the corner of my lot. Got trees going to have to be coming down here soon. Corner of my lot. We're going to work on this for a little bit and show you just what this weed eater will do. So I'm going to start right here and hook you up on the tripod. Just one second, we'll be right back. There you go. You can see, well, maybe you can't see, but a lot of that's poison ivy, and some of that is going to have to be cut down with a brush cutter. So let's give you a turn this way and do this. A quick glimpse to right there. Let's see what we can do. Okay, this time I ran out of trimmer wire, so we're going to show you how to replace that. So, got to stop and take a break. Still, after finishing my chemo, right at a year ago now, I still can't do long periods of work. Still got to take a break every 15-20 minutes. But, getting better. But back to the trimmer. Let me put in a new trimmer line, and we're going to come back and finish this video up. Okay, now that we've gone over what's in the box, let's look at what's out of the box. Now, when I do close up, you'll see how well used this thing is. But here we go. Here is the battery placement. I have a 4 amp battery on here, RYOBI label on the side. Here is the pistol grip, and there's a little safety you have to pull. Again, that will be shown in the close-up. Here is the cutting side, and this is the bump. Just like most weed eaters, you have to bump this on the ground to expel the trimmer line a couple inches. Nice little handle here. It's not padded, but it is rubber, so it is comfortable. Rubber molded over the handles. This handle you can put in either direction, so it could be at this angle or this angle. Here is the knob to take it apart and put it together. So if you want to put in a different accessory, such as I recently purchased the brush cutter. Just a second, got a car coming. The head part of it, and the trigger, RYOBI, 40 volt, HP. Here's this, 40 HP Brushless. And here are some more stickers, carbon fiber handle. Sorry about that, a car just drove by. This is where you put the battery. Let me turn it up like this. Battery install is very easy. It has a slot, very well explanatory when you see it. I always just pop it with my hand, and to take it out, you just push this button, it pulls right out. Now this battery has a battery indicator on it right here. We're down to 3 bars. Here is the connector. Got another car coming, just a second. Okay, car just passed. Here's some more stickers, safety information. And here is where you put the twine in, or the cutting line. Okay, to replace your trimmer line, very easy. First thing you do is remove the battery. You don't want to have any kind of mishaps at all. So remove your battery, and on the bottom of the spindle, you'll see this is the bump portion where you bump it on the ground to expel your trimmer line. But you'll see two little arrows. When this is new, they're white.